We'll guide you through how to download and install WinRAR in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. WinRAR is a really great tool to go and have on your computer because with it, you can go and extract files, you can go and compress them and put them into different types like RAR, zip, etc. So we're going to guide you through how you can download and install it. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So open a web browser of your choice. I tend to use Chrome, but you could use Edge, Firefox, it doesn't matter. Now you want to go and type in WinRAR, like so. Come to the official site win-rar.com. Here we are. Now, WinRAR is a paid program, but there's a trial we can use. So you can try the trial, and if you like it, you can then go and purchase it. We can press download WinRAR like so. Then we can come down and press download WinRAR at the bottom. Now, what you can do is you can see it's downloaded. Chrome has blocked it, but we can go and press it in the top right and press download a verified file. I've had it, it's safe. Come out of your web browser. Now you can come and open up your File Explorer just at the bottom here, or press search, type in File Explorer. Go to the left and press downloads, and you can double click on WinRAR. We've now had a security prompt here, and we can press install. Make sure you read and agree this, I already have. Then you can go and wait, and then here you can go and choose the associate files you want to use. So you can go and unselect or select them. You can choose the interface and the shell integration as well. I don't actually change this, and then we can press OK and press done. So you've now gone and installed WinRAR, and you're going to go and know this because let's say I right click on a file here or a folder. You can then go and press show more options at the bottom. You can then see at the bottom WinRAR, and you can hover over it and you can go and add to archive, and you could go and compress it as well. So you can press add to archive like so. We can make a zip or RAR with this. I'll do a RAR, press OK, and we've now gone and done it.